Homemade barbecue sauce. Better than store-bought, cheaper than a restaurant style. I've never used maple syrup in a barbecue sauce before, so this will be a first for me. I want to make some barbecue sauce today, and I want to cook it on this and show you how it works. All right, hope you enjoy the video. All right, folks, well, let's kick the tires and light the fires here. Get some fire going on. All right. Get that on there. What we're going to do first is I got some maple syrup here, and we're going to reduce this by half. So I'm going to dump that in there. I'm going to pour half the jar in there. I've never used maple syrup in a barbecue sauce before, so this will be a first for me. To that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I have 1 whole cup of brown sugar. Mix that in there. You want that brown sugar to melt, so you want to mix it in there really good. Let's get some garlic powder in there. I'm sorry, that first one was onion powder. This is garlic powder. Get some onion powder in there. Now we got some garlic powder. And now for some smoked paprika. Get a little bit of smoky flavor. I'll leave the directions and the ingredients down below. Let's get that mix in there. That's looking pretty good so far. I want some tomato sauce. I want some tomato in there, so I have here 1 can of tomato sauce. And to that, we're going to add 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. I don't know about you, but I like a little bit of vinegary taste in always inside my barbecue sauce. Now what we're going to do is we're going to let this cook and try to probably reduce by half. It's already looking and smelling fantastic. Let that sit just like that. When we come back in a little bit, we'll take a look at it. I'm going to give it about 10 minutes on medium-low, and we'll see how we did. And by the way, I am going to be stirring this occasionally, like every 2 or 3 minutes. So I start seeing some bubbles, I'll stir it again. That way nothing gets burnt. All right, guys, sorry I forgot to turn the recorder on here. I just put in one last ingredient, and that was 1 large tablespoon of tomato paste. And that's just going to help thicken this up. But as you can see, this sauce is looking absolutely fantastic. It's got some body to it. But that tomato paste will help thicken it up real nice. Homemade barbecue sauce. Better than store-bought, cheaper than a restaurant style. All right, we'll let this simmer some more, and we'll have a taste test. We'll see how we did. But it smells absolutely fantastic. You guys can smell it? Oh, that's right. You guys don't have smell-o-vision. I'm telling you, you got to get smell-o-vision. You guys got to start talking to network providers here, man. Tell them we need smell-o-vision. We'll let this go for about another 30 minutes, and we'll have a taste test. This sauce is looking absolutely fantastic. It looks delicious, smells delicious. Now let's do the spoon test, see how it sticks to the spoon. Oh yeah. Nice thickness on that spoon. It sticks to that spoon perfect. And as this cools, it'll get even thicker as it cools. But if you guys can smell this right now, my goodness, it smells absolutely fantastic. All right, I'll have a taste test, see how I did. I know it smells good, so I know it's going to taste good. Cheers, everyone. Wow. You got that richness of that maple syrup, and then you got that little bit of I won't say a pungent, but a strong tomato sauce on the back, and then all those other seasonings we put in there, just all so good. Oh my goodness, that's good. Well, I hope you guys try it. I really enjoy making these videos for you. Please do leave a comment. Let me know if you make one of these tomato sauces. Let me know. And I'd be really, really happy if you guys could leave a comment if you make one. But I'm going to go ahead and end this video so you don't have to hear any more of my jaw jagging. And until next time, As always, God bless and happy eats. That is some really good barbecue sauce.